It's time to do laundry. Oh, no, this is what we're not gonna do today. This is what we're not gonna do. Nope, I cannot do this. I'm leaving. Hi! Can I borrow some detergent? No, you cannot. See, I'm about to do the laundry and get out of here because no, today. Get out. You thought it's a lot for a small thing of laundry. I think I'm gonna put maybe like $1.50 in and then like just try and push it some. You have to still bring your money. Did it on a budget. Do not do what you just saw in this video. Disclaimer, I did pay for the laundry. I don't want you guys to get in trouble. So don't do that and don't do what you're about to see in these next couple of clips. Thanks. Do not try what you're about to see in this next clip. I do not want you guys to get hurt. I hope that these clothes are almost done. You must have seen. Nope. Oh, this joint has been on 4 minutes. For 4 minutes, my G. It should be done by now. My dude. Oh my god. Bro, I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to be out. I'm trying to be like, make like a tree and leave. But this won't finish. Okay guys, this is just like crazy. So you just saw in the previous clip that was on 4 minutes. And then it just goes to 2 minutes out of nowhere. Like, how does that even happen? We really...
That does not work. 2 seconds. I look away and then I look back. 2 minutes. My G.
It's gonna be on there for 4 minutes then.
Another 4 minutes. Then it's gonna switch to God knows what.
And now, a couple honorable mentions. Hey, I was supposed to say that. And now, a couple honorable mentions and behind the scenes clips. Olivia, what did you just do right now?
Squeeze out my sweater. Why? Why you might ask? Only to feel how heavy this work is, how much water it is.
Up the phone, you know he's probably calling because he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, his wife done kicked him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You're really gonna come to your bed in the morning. Surrender him if you ain't living no more. So guys, there's this thing on YouTube where on the Venom trailer that I reacted to, people put 116 in this and like a comment. So I'm gonna do my own right now. When people leave their trash in the middle of the street, roll the clip. And I got new rules, I got 'em. Woo! 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 New rules, I got 'em. Alright y'all, that's all I have for y'all. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried my best. This video took a long time to edit. That's why it is 2-3 days overdue. Or maybe it's just because I procrastinated. But who's telling? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like me to do more videos, tell me in the comments down below. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, because I really did work hard on editing this and trying to make it more like my older videos. I put more music in the background, and I thought it was just hilarious watching it. I know that I'm gonna watch it a lot. I hope that you guys like it and watch it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So if you see me in this like Old Navy sweater, it's probably because I'm probably gonna vlog today, because I'm going somewhere. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. A huge thanks to Olivia for being in my video. Here's a blooper. Can I borrow some detergent?
No, you cannot.